All right, we are back. We are back. Nice. Look at that 4Runner. It's a nice 4Runner. I don't know what type of camper that is, but that thing looks freaking sweet. I'm gonna have a closer look at that. Nice. What is this thing? Nice. Nice. Super sweet. This thing is sick. Roger that. Okay, we're gonna have to check them out. All right.
That thing is loud.
Yeah. All right, I think I'm pretty good. I don't know if you want to keep walking around. Keep walking?
Yeah.
All right. Yeah, that's fine. All right, I think we are good. Yeah. Yeah, that's fine. And that's where those lights are over there, okay? Yeah. I don't think we can cross anywhere else. I could be wrong, but I guess we'll find out. I like this guy's pants. We've got some guys from Canada Land over here. Nice. So I think I'm going strong every year coming out here running into somebody I know. Let's go. Look at this guy here. I love the color on this. Nice. Nice. What's up, man?
We got some hot
I appreciate it. Thank you. That's sweet. That's a Honda. Nice. Oh, this thing is actually super sweet. Honda Odyssey. Let's go. You mind throwing that in the bag, please? Nice. Love me a minivan. Oh, I see that. I don't know if that's a Beamer over there, but hey. All right. Oh man, the shuttle's free today. That's super cool. Nice. I wonder where the shuttle is. Does this shuttle just pick anybody up from anywhere? Let's go.
Which one you got? Which camera?
The Action 5, the DJI.
Good one.
Yeah. Oh, look at this Toyota. Nice. Gotta get a photo of this. Nice. This thing is sweet. Nice. Look at that. Look at that. This Corolla's mint. This thing is mint condition. Holy. Are you kidding me? Nice. Oh, these are sweet. Nice. Nice. Those are some sweet Hondas. Holy. Let's go. Oh man, that Corolla. Okay, so that first gen Corolla and that. Oh, look at this little Nissan. This thing is nice. This thing is sweet. Very nice. One S10. This Cadillac's nice. Nice. I like the face mask. Everybody's having so much fun out here. People over here just chilling on the side of the road. It's a nice paint job. Because everyone's just chilling, man. Such a vibe. Okay, we got some hooligan-ness going on over here. Man, these mini bikes are where it's at. Let's go. This is a nice color. Woo! Oh man, this guy did a sweet burnout over here. Hopefully the popos don't get him. Run! Run! It's a sweet Benz. You better run, bro. Let's go. This thing is super sweet. Nice. Let's go. Yeah, this thing is stanced. Woo! It's wet. This thing is wet. Yeah. Nice. Oh, these things are super sweet. The Prowler. You walk ahead. Nice. Very nice. Woo! Look at this. Let's go. All right, I'm gonna run back in front of you. You okay? Oh, this thing looks sweet. It's a loud ass horn on the front of this thing. Alrighty. Oh, look at the patina on this one. This thing is nice. Very nice. Nice. Another Beetle. Nice Beetle. Beautiful. Look at that. Woo. Super nice. This thing is nice. Oh, is he gonna do it?
Bass sounds good though.
Nice. I don't know if anybody's gonna. Oh, no burnouts. People are scared, man. The cops don't play around over on this side. Nice color. You giving people thumbs up on their cars? You should. It makes them feel good. Look at that GMC Typhoon over there. Oh, the Albanians are out. Nice. Yeah, these guys out here. Oh, Team Albania. Let's go. Look at these. Another Ontario. Oh man, I haven't seen these. I can't. What is this? This is a G class. This thing is sweet. You don't see too many of these. Yeah, the G class. Very nice. You sure you don't want any merch?
Super B, come on, man. We want to talk to the fucking rain.
Let's go. Woo. Beautiful. Love the color on this. Oh, this thing is nice. This thing is nice. Let's go. Woo! Nice. Nice Porsche. Oh, look at this. Oof. Some more merch over here. We're gonna try and cross the street at some point here soon. But this is literally the vibe. We're just wifey and me just walking down the street and enjoying Oh, this is nice. I like the color on this one. This thing is nice. Oof. Let's go. Man, I think these Hondas are these things are freaking awesome. The Honda Elites. How cool is that? Oh, this thing's got some power. Nice. Guys out here ripping their e-bikes. Oh,
Quick.
I appreciate you. Let's go. Whew. That's a beautiful color. M6 or 6 Series. I don't know. Oh no, it's a 7 Series. Dude, I want to what? Oh yeah. I wonder if they're giving away merch. It's the Buick. Good catch. Buick and GMC. Let's see if they have your car on display. You think they'll have your car on display? Let's see. I think it's right here. That's it, right? All right. Let's get some merch. No, this is the. Oh yeah, this is it. This is the Invista Sport Touring. This is your car. Nice.
My car.
This is like the fully loaded one, or one of the. Nice. Look at that, $219 per month on the Encore. Oh, and now my truck, the Canyon Denali, yeah. Look at that, we're both in the same area. How nice is that? It's the Canyon Denali, mid-size truck. Let's go.
Let's go.
This thing is pretty sweet. I think this is the. This is the. What package does this have? It definitely has like a blacked out package. I don't know which one this is. I haven't had a Denali. That's gonna be my next one. But I mean.
I like the trim on this one.
Yeah.
I like the trim on this one a lot.
Let's go.
Let's go. It's my hubby's car.
Good to know. This one has like a black emblem package or some blackout package. I feel like I should know. What package does this thing have? The black edition. That's what it is. This thing actually looks pretty sweet with the chrome accents. All right, time to get some freebies. Let's see what's up.